Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach After Market Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today's Friday, September 21st, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did in the room. Today in the room we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 entries, and there was 1, 2, 3 really nice winning trades. One trade that was either 8 to 10 ticks or a break even, and then another one that was either a break even or a really nice trade up to 20 or 30 ticks depending on which entry people chose, because I gave 2 possible options depending on how aggressive somebody wanted to be after we had this big down move, because we were looking for from this area here, we were looking for a test down lower. So I'm going to just run through everything here really quick from left to right. NASDAQ 10:03 Central Standard Time, 76.10. We added up at 15, and we were easily able to get out of break even. Again, if somebody did get in there, they could have made 12 to 15 ticks, or a break even if they tried to hold. If they tried to hold the trade profits, and then it went up for a break even, and then when it came back down, we hit it again on the 1021 candle. This time it was 8 quarter, and 98 quarter, or 76.08 quarter was the price. 76.08 quarter on this big red candle here, right up at the top, and you'll see that trade went down well over 100 ticks. Well over 100 ticks. In fact, we'll say 85, 75 was my ultimate target. 85 was my first ultimate target. 75 was my stretch target. It actually I said it actually should get into the low 70s, which is interesting because they didn't do it here. But if you look, they front ran 75s right here, but if you look here, we got into the low 70s right here. But that, of course, was when we were long gone from the room. But again, still, 85 was that first target there. Anywhere in here, up to 75, but 85, 95, pretty decent move there from the 08 quarters. And then we took an RS trade, either as an add-on or a new entry, because a lot of people after that big move are out with the 08s. 50, 60, 70, 80 ticks, most people are out. I said you can hit it again or do an add-on to see if they'll go lower, and that was at 91.50. 91.50 on the 1039 candle, and that trade went from 91.50 down for 50 ticks. There, that was an RS trade. This was an understanding trade. Then I called the ZL towards the end of the morning. I called the ZL, and that was at 7650. That was at 1036 Central Standard Time, and that trade worked for 25 ticks. And then again, I said we can hit it up higher again if it goes up there, because I was looking for him to test up higher. But again, that was after the room closed. We could have hit it again at the 07s, 08s, but we were gone. It actually happened right after we left. 10, 15 minutes after we left the room. But again, that was a nice little trade too. And then the crude, I really wanted to get short because I really thought this thing was going to come down further. The question was from where. Told everybody that the best price to get short was around 55. However, if you wanted to hit it at 32, you would add at 52 and get out at break even around 42, which everybody clearly sees you could do there. So some people got a break even because they took the aggressive entry. Had people either who wanted to wait for the better price or didn't want to go and add contracts, had to wait. They didn't have a choice for the 55, and you'll see it went from 55 down about 30 ticks or so. So a little bit more than that. And that was a nice RS as well. So we're going to come back and we're going to do it all over again tomorrow. Until then, on Monday. It's the weekend. So I want everybody to have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys back in the room on Monday. Have a great day, everybody.